I think it's just awesome that they allow a lot of students to have this opportunity.
I love MedSplash because it helped open a lot more doors.
Students from all over Lane County chose to spend the summer immersed in the medical field. Thanks to an Oregon Department of Education CTE revitalization grant, Lane Education Service District held this health science summer camp. It's called MedSplash at Lane Community College.
At MedSplash, we've been learning about suturing, we've been learning all the CPR procedures, and we've also been learning a lot about like blood typing and like first aid.
And Henry Valencia aspires for a career in medicine, creating a path towards many firsts in his family.
I'm gonna be the first in my generation to be able to, even just get through high school and get into college and universities.
During this specialized camp, students learn from some of the best in their fields.
We did get to learn the Heimlich maneuver, like how to stop someone from choking. We got to learn how to bandage people up, to stop some bleeding, use a tourniquet. I was first aid certified, which is really important to me because when I get older, I want to do something that helps people.
We learned about dental assistants and dental hygienists, and we did a few activities on that. And we also learned about pharmacy technicians as well, which was also a really fun one.
I'm so grateful for the MedSplash opportunity because it has definitely improved my general focus on what I thought I was going to do in college. And it also helped notice a lot of programs that I didn't think I was going to be able to do or that I didn't even know existed.
Each of these students may just be the future of medicine.
And I just want to give myself a challenge and set an example for my children.